Hey guys, welcome back. It is a beautiful day here in the hills of Portland, Jamaica. I am going to give you an update on how the farm is going. So stay tuned. So in the last video, it was raining, so we did not get a chance to bring down the material to the farm. But today, we are finally getting that done. So stay tuned and watch as we get this done. So my brother and cousin are helping me as always, and if you are new here guys, welcome. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe, so whenever I post a video you don't miss it and you will see whatever update that I have. So far I'm gonna show you how the pen is looking, but they are just bringing down all the materials to the cube. And guys, I must inform you that I had to go back and get some more of these material because it was not enough, right? So I will update that price listing in the next video maybe, or I will just have that in the description box so you can see a breakdown of everything that I spent so far. So for today, we are just gonna start laying the foundation, putting in the 2x4s and setting some blocks. We are going to get as much done as possible because I'm really trying to have the animals in the pen before summer, hopefully, or within the next 1 month or less, depending on how long it takes to get everything complete. So I am trying my best to get everything complete as soon as possible. This is really a big piece of land, and I also plan to grow crops as well. I want to make the full use of it because in this economy you really have to grow your own food and try to be self-sufficient. It is always better to eat what you grow and grow what you eat, right? So if you have a little piece of farm, no matter how small it is, you can grow a few vegetables if you want. So for me, I am planning to plant vegetables like carrot, tomato, peppers, callaloo, and much more. As much as I can plant, I will definitely plant it, and I will have these produce to sell as well. So ensure that you subscribe, like, share and comment so you will be updated with these things that I'm doing. And right here I'm just bringing some drinks for the workers because the sun was really hot today, but I am grateful we're still able to get a lot done, right? This is how it is looking so far. We still have a long way to go, but we will get there eventually. Here, I was just clearing some trees from the area to get better sunlight and to make the space cleaner and easier to work with because I love a clean environment. Anyway, guys, I am deciding how many pigs or chicken I'm gonna start with this time. So the last time I start a pig farm, I don't remember how much I started, if it was 4, but I am still deciding how much to start with this time, right? I have an idea, however, I am also looking in to get the best breed, maybe even a mix, because you want to get the best of the best. But we will get there step by step. It was indeed a beautiful day. I am grateful for all the help and the support that I have received so far. So my uncle came and helped me, friend came and helped me, and my brother and my cousin that was there from the beginning. So I am really grateful and I can see the full potential of where this is going. So my brother was just bringing some more blacks to the farm to lay these blacks here. And guys, no matter things say me just like a sit down and not help out, me I go help out because I am a country girl, so say I know how to do my thing as well. When I decided that I was gonna start this farm again, I was really thinking if it is something that I really want to do, if it is a good idea, am I gonna sell? But guys, I'm just giving it a try, and I'm gonna, with the faith, I know that it will reach its full potential once I put myself out there and I do my best. I know that this can go a far way. So if you have an idea, if you want to start up something in life, whatever you want to start, just start, because you never know how far you can go. Just start. Don't sit down and thinking about, oh, what if I start and it's not profitable? You know what I'm saying? You never know until you try. And even if you try and you fail, pick up yourself again and try again. Right? You have to have that determination, and you have to know what you want in life. Right? So here I was just mixing cement. I can do my little thing, as I said before, because I am a country girl. I grew up in the beautiful parish of Portland, Jamaica. So guys, as I was saying, just put yourself out there, market yourself, right? You don't have to do marketing to be able to market yourself, because social media is there. Everyone is on social media. Everybody is using it nowadays. So you can market yourself. Just put yourself out there. Start. Don't think about it the hard way, right? When you think about it the hard way, it may feel difficult for you to start, but when you look at it as, okay, I can do this, and you see the possibility of what can become of it, yes, you can do it. Tell yourself, say, yes, you can do it. Today was a great day, and it was truly a blessing. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more updates.